Turbine Guy coming back at you down on the south end of Pine Island near St. James City, where the major devastation and surge happened down here. Now I am at York Street Marina over here. I got Bob and Annie's Marina behind me, and I have the Raggedy Saloon as well behind me, one of my favorite watering holes in this town. Let's take a look at what happened to some of these boats. Now, one thing you got to notice again is there's no tarps anywhere. Look at all the big boats tipped and twisted way over there. Got one on its side right up on the dock. Another one on the dock. Look at these guys in the water and hanging out. Now here's another view of this boat, huh? Now take a look. It looks like the Ragged Ass got beat up a little bit, but not too bad. But what do we see here?
Still have some patrons.
Got another yokel local ready to go, right? Bunch of debris around. But look what's up in the road. These boats were most definitely not here before the hurricane. You take a look and you know, you got to think just about half of everything under there is in pretty bad shape. These are not small boats. Well, you walk around and there's another one. These might even been in the road and pushed back off. Now you got to understand, none of these boats were here. They're all here now. Now, does anyone get an idea which way the wind and the surge was going? The Ragged Ass, once again, looks like it made it through. Hurricane shutters down. Look at these big boys just sitting up on the ground. Or up on the deck saying, hey, I could use a beer too. Now that one over there, the big one, appears to be sitting on pilings of all things. The big dock poles coming up. Oh geez, I'm gonna have to clean that up. Well, there you go. Look at this guy. Found his own brand new parking spot. Whoever owns Andante, Panama City, I found your boat. Look how it's smushed all up and in. Okay, well, we're gonna cross the street over here to Bob and Annie's. And see what happened. Now, while the yard doesn't look so bad on this side, other than the fact the electric poles are invading their property, look at what we have over here. This guy's up and at 'em. Look at that. Big old catamaran just hanging half in and half out. Wow. Can you believe the devastation here at just these two marinas? All these boats are junk. Can you imagine the dollar amount lost just here? Turbine Guy, signing off.